Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and install WhatsApp on your Mac. Yes, you can use WhatsApp on your Mac computer, and it's actually quite easy. Many people prefer using WhatsApp on their desktop for easier typing and file sharing, so we're going to walk you through the simple steps to get it up and running. In this video, we'll cover two main methods: downloading the dedicated WhatsApp desktop app and using WhatsApp Web directly in your browser. We'll show you both, so you can choose what works best for you. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Alright, let's get started. Screen recording. Browser opens to WhatsApp website. First, let's download the WhatsApp desktop app. Open your web browser. I'm using Safari here, but you can use Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. Now, go to whatsapp.com. Screen recording, showing the WhatsApp website. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see options to download WhatsApp for different operating systems. Click on the Download for Mac button. Screen recording, clicking the Download button. The .dmg file will now download to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. You can usually find it in your Dock or Finder. Screen recording, opening Downloads folder and showing the .dmg file. Double-click the WhatsApp.dmg file. Screen recording, double-clicking the .dmg file. This will open a window. Now, simply drag the WhatsApp icon to the Applications folder shortcut. Screen recording, dragging the WhatsApp icon to the Applications folder shortcut. This copies the WhatsApp application to your Applications folder. Now, go to your Applications folder. You can find it in Finder by clicking Go in the menu bar and then Applications. Screen recording, navigating to the Applications folder. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and double-click it to open the application. Screen recording, double-clicking the WhatsApp icon in the Applications folder. A security message might appear asking if you're sure you want to open the application. Click Open. Screen recording, clicking Open on the security message. Now, WhatsApp will open and display a QR code. Screen recording, showing the WhatsApp QR code. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, and tap on Settings, usually in the bottom right corner. Screen recording, on-screen capture of a phone showing WhatsApp settings. Then tap on Linked Devices. Screen recording, on-screen capture of a phone showing linked devices. Now tap on Link a device. You might need to use your fingerprint or Face ID to authenticate. Screen recording, on-screen capture of a phone showing link a device and authentication. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your Mac screen. Screen recording, on-screen capture of a phone scanning the QR code. Your WhatsApp account will now be linked to your Mac, and your chats will synchronize. Screen recording, showing WhatsApp interface on the Mac app. And that's it. You've successfully installed WhatsApp on your Mac. Now, let's look at the second method, using WhatsApp Web. Screen recording, browser opens to web.whatsapp.com. Open your web browser again and go to web.whatsapp.com. Screen recording, showing the WhatsApp web page with QR code. You'll see a QR code, just like before. Repeat the steps on your phone. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Link Devices, and then tap Link a device to scan the QR code. Screen recording, on-screen capture of a phone showing WhatsApp settings, linked devices, and scanning the QR code. Once you scan the code, your WhatsApp chats will appear directly in your browser. Screen recording, showing WhatsApp interface in the web browser. WhatsApp Web is great if you don't want to install the dedicated app. However, the app usually offers slightly better performance and desktop notifications. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to use WhatsApp on your Mac. You can choose whichever method works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.